In this video, we will look at a demonstration for merging two arrays. So first of all, I will create two arrays. I will directly initialize them. Struct array, I will call first one as ARR1 and I will initialize it. The list of elements are 2, 6, 10, 15 and 25. This is the first list, so there are total 5 elements. And the size of the array, I can give any size, so I will give a larger size, and the number of elements, that is length, is 5. This is the first array. Then second array, struct array ARR2. I will initialize the array first, so the elements are 3 and 4, 7, 18 and 20. Now the size I have to give size, it can be greater than or equal to 5 because I have only 5 elements. So let us give the size as 10 and then number of elements are 5. So I am taking same number of elements in both the arrays. Then the third array I want, so for that I want a function merge to create third array. So for that I will take a pointer ARR3. I will not create an array. Now these three variables, it is giving a warning that these three variables are not in use. Yes, we have not yet used them. This is the same program or the project that we have been using. So inside this I will write a function for merge. Merge should take two arrays. Merge should take two arrays. It should take by address. So first one is ARR1. I'll give the same name, struct array, and second one is ARR2. Then what are the things we require in this function? We need I and j that will help us tracing array 1 and array 2. Then I need third array for storing the merge result, and its array size should be 10. I will create an array from heap. So for that I will take a pointer star ARR3. Then here I will say struct array pointer malloc size of struct array. So this object will be created in heap so that I can return it and I can use it inside main function. The merge result, I should be able to use it in main function. So that's why I'm creating this on heap. Now we'll write on the procedure that we have already discussed on whiteboard. While I is less than ARR1's length and j is less than ARR2's length, that second array's length. As long as I is less than first length and j is less than second length, we have to compare the elements. Now we have to compare and copy the elements. So I will initialize these variables. So I need k also. So let us initialize these three variables, I assign and j assign, k assign 0. All these three are initialized with 0. Now here I will compare and copy the elements. If array 1's element is less than array 2's element, then array 3's element should be set to array 1's element. And this I and k both should increment I as well as k. Else in array 3 we should copy the elements of second array. K plus plus should be equal to assigned with ARR2's element. That's it. So this loop will copy all the elements by comparing them one by one, and it will stop when one of the array has finished. Now I have to copy the remaining elements from any one of the array. So I should start from wherever I is. So I is for first array length, then I plus plus, then in third array I should copy the elements from first array. And similarly, I will copy and paste this one. I will copy and paste this one, and this should be for j. Instead of typing again, I will make it for j. This j is less than array2's length and j plus plus, and here j should be copied in k, and this should come from array2. That's all. This will merge both the arrays and store the result in array3. Now for array3, I should set its length. Length should be array1's length plus array2's length. This I should set. And array3's size is not set. I should set the size also to 10. That's all. Now as this array3 is created in heap, I can return this to the main function. So I can say return array3. And here the function should have the return type as struct array pointer. Yes, the function is little lengthy, but it is ready for merging. This is the function for merging. Now from inside main function, I will call merge by passing address of first array and address of second array, and the result I will take it in array3. Then whatever the result I got, I will display that. So let us call the function display, and it takes call by value, so I should send star arr3. That's all. Now these elements should be merged, and I should get all sorted elements in array3. 2, 3, 4, 6, 7, 10, 15, 18, 20 and 25. Yes, perfect. It's working perfect. So merge function is merging all the elements. So this merge function we may be using at various places. So that's all we have seen merge function. That's all in this video.